Alright, in this video I'm going to be replacing the battery in my motorcycle. Went to my local shop, got this WPS motorcycle battery, 55 bucks. They put the acid in and charged it up for me. You can't just buy a battery that's off the shelf like a car and just throw it in. There's only like one type of battery, and it's like $130 for an interstate battery that you could do that. So I'm just outside waiting for my girlfriend's father to get here so that we can go inside and throw this thing in, show you guys how it's done. Alright, the first step to changing this battery out is 2 screws. One here on the seat, takes the seat off, and then the same thing around the other side. Right there. So we'll take off those 2 screws and get at the battery. Once the seat's removed, the battery is just in plain access. All you need to do is take these 2 screws out that hold the cables on, and the battery slides right out. There's no hold downs or anything like that. It's just held in by the seat being down and the little half compartment that it's in. So I'll take those off and slide the new one in. Alright, new battery's in its spot. I'm going to throw the cables on, throw the seat on, and let's hear what this thing sounds like. Sounding good. It's a little cold today, so let it warm up and take it out for our nice ride. Very happy, guys.